students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, express the denominator of 7 by 80 in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. So denominator of 7 by 80 is 80, and what we'll do, we'll do prime factorization of 80. 80 is divisible by 2 and we will get 40, and divisible by 2 again we will get 20, divisible by 2 again we will get 10, again we will get 5, and divisible by 5 and we will get 1. So 80 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, which is actually equals to 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. Yes, this is in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m, where n is equals to 4 and m is equals to 1. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.